What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing a speed test and benchmark comparison of the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Z Flip 4. So without any further ado, let's get started. results, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is faster than the Z Flip 4 in opening apps and games probably in a second or two. While on the benchmarks, the iPhone 16 Pro Max also beats overwhelmingly the Z Flip 4 in benchmark scores. Don't get me wrong, the Z Flip 4 is still fast, although it is already a 2-year-old phone and using a much older processor comparing to the current and the best chip that the iPhone 16 Pro Max have. So that is my speed test and benchmark comparison of the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in 2025. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.